Today we are going to tackle a chocolate chip cookie cake. It is going to be a touchdown for your friends and family on game day. Hi Rachel, it's your cookie friend Emily Hutchinson here, and my favorite thing about game day are the desserts. Before we get started, we have to make sure to preheat our oven for 350 degrees. Then once we've done that, I am going to use 1 cup of cold unsalted butter, and I'm just going to grate that in. And I have the wrap still on the butter so I don't get my fingertips. I'm gonna put in a cup of firmly packed light brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. You don't wanna mix with a whisk, you wanna always make sure you use your paddle. We're gonna mix this for about a minute or 2. And then I have 1 large egg and then 1 egg yolk. And that's gonna add a little bit more fat to our cookie. That's looking good. All right, and then we have 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Really makes the flavor so much better when it's pure. We're just gonna set this aside. I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients together with a whisk. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, and the cornstarch is actually gonna make it so the cookie stays soft. And then I'm just gonna whisk these dry ingredients up, and I'm just gonna dump in the dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. I'm gonna pulse just so that flour does not escape. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna add our 1 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. This is where you kinda are gonna use a little bit of that muscle. We are going to use a 9x12 baking sheet, and I have parchment in here. And then we just wanna spread it evenly. We are gonna pop this into our preheated oven, and we're gonna bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. While our cookie cake is baking, we are gonna use some shredded sweetened coconut, and I got a cup in here, and we're gonna turn it green. I'm going to put in a little bit of green food coloring, and I'm just gonna put about a drop in, and then we're going to shake, shake, shake. Look at how gorgeous this green is. This green matches my buttercream, so it's gonna look perfect for our football field. Oh boy, I can tell you my kitchen smells amazing. We are going to gently press the sides of our cookie cake down so we have a completely flat surface to work with. You just have to make sure that you do it right when you pull it out of the oven, or you won't be able to smooth down your sides. Our cookie cake is now completely cooled. We're gonna put this cookie cake on top of a rectangular cake board. Put a little frosting underneath, and then it's perfectly ready to decorate. Just get that buttercream on there. Gently spread that buttercream along the top of our cookie cake. These are gonna be our fans in the crowd. It's my favorite part. I'm just gonna sprinkle those multicolored sprinkles around. Can you hear the fans now cheering? Oh, this is so cute. We're gonna use just plain white buttercream, and we're gonna make the yard lines on the field. This is looking so good. It's not even gonna matter if they're perfectly straight or not. We're gonna take our colored coconut, and we're just gently going to put it on top of the cake. This makes it really, really, really come alive. I am all about the details, and this just makes it so much more fun. There's only one thing left to do. I gotta cut it open. I gotta take a bite. Look at how delicious and soft and moist this cookie cake is. It is going to be a hit for sure.
And you guys can get more of Emily's amazing ideas and recipes in her creative cookie decorating for everyone.